Let's get started with today's guided reading. So we're continuing our read with Chimp with a Limp, and we're going to be focusing on our ability to comprehend. So that's understanding what we're reading. So reading from our last session, so our retrieval then, I'm going to say 1, 2 and then 3. I'm going to read these key words up here for me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we've got day, play, hooray. Now have a practice of our sentence from yesterday. Now let's read that sentence together. Chimp, what did you do? And finally we've got a question then. What does Chimp pretend to do? Here's the text from the book that's going to help you answer that question. So read through that text and then put your answer into a sentence. Right, so our answer was, cheeky chimp pretends to limp. So let's have a look at our word reading today. So our words reading today are going to have a pattern at the end of them. They've got the old sound. So this one we've got here is g, old, gold. Let's have a go at reading this one now in a sentence. So if we read that together, the the pirates were stealing the gold. Let's reread that for fluency then. The pirates were stealing the gold. Well done. Let's have a look at our next word. So we've got that word with that old at the end again there. So we've got old, bold. Practice this sentence then. Will be bold. I will be bold. Right, so the third word is for you to have a go at. So practice that very first word. Remember, we've got that old sound at the end of that word. Brilliant, well done. That's sold. Now have a practice at reading that word in the sentence. And let's read that sentence together then. The man sold the sweets. So today our focus is on comprehension. We're going to be thinking about direct questions. That means basically finding the answer that's in the text. So you're finding and retrieving the evidence to answer the question. So our first question then, we can see we've got our page from the book on this side and our question on the other side. So let's read our question carefully. What were the pirates stealing? Okay, so I'm going to have to write my answer to the sentence onto my lines underneath. Now to find the answer to this question, I'm going to need to read the text from the book. I caught some pirates stealing gold. So the question again is, what were the pirates stealing? So here's that word stealing. Okay, stealing gold. So I now need to write that into a full sentence because we're not going to copy the sentence down, we're just going to write the answer to the question. So if we move across to my whiteboard, which is over here, I'm going to be writing the pirates were stealing gold. And I can look back at the text if I'm not sure how to spell any of these words so that I am getting them all correct. The pirates were stealing gold. And I must remember my full stop at the end of my sentence. So the question was, what were the pirates stealing? I've written the answer, the pirates were stealing gold. Right, our second question. How was Chimp feeling? So let's read the text that we've got on the page next door. I fought them. I was feeling bold. So if we look back at our question, how was Chimp feeling? I'm going to have a look for this keyword feeling in the text. Fought, feeling. I was feeling bold. We can see in the picture here, Chimp is thinking. So let's think about how he was feeling. So I can have my sentence would be, Chimp was feeling bold. So if we go across to my whiteboard, so we'll write our answer in a full sentence. So we're going to start with our capital letter. So we've got Chimp was feeling bold. Full stop. The question was, how was Chimp feeling? And our answer says, Chimp was feeling bold. Let's go across to question 3. So this one we're going to do together. So I'll read the question to you first of all. What did the pirate put around Chimp's neck? So let's have a read through the text. I tripped and slipped upon the deck. One slung a hook around my neck. So if we go back to that question, what did the pirate put around Chimp's neck? So if we look for that keyword neck in our text, that should help us to find where our answer is. So have a look across at the page over here. Can you find on this page here where it says that word neck? Remember, we're looking for a word beginning with that n and then the ek sound. Right, well done if you've spotted that word neck down here in this second sentence. So what did the pirate put around Chimp's neck? One slung a hook around my neck. You practice your answer to that question in a sentence. Well done. So we've got the pirate put a hook around my neck. So we're going to write this one into our books. Okay, so let's go across to my whiteboard. You could be starting to write this into your books as well. The pirate put a hook around Chimp's neck. Full stop. The pirate put a hook around Chimp's neck. Brilliant. So there are 3 questions we've worked through together. So these are the questions that I would like you to have a go at answering now in sentences into your books. You can see on the right hand side you've got the text that's going to help you to find the answers. Okay, and we've got 3 questions to complete. I'll read through the questions and then I'd like you to spend the time answering each of those questions carefully. What did Chimp have to walk? Where did Chimp fall? And what do you think might happen next? So question 1 and question 2 are retrieval questions. You will find the exact answer in the text itself, But question 3 is, what do you think? Okay, what do you think is going to happen next? It's not going to tell you the answer over on this page. Right, if you could answer those questions into your book now. And that's the end of our session today.